Hey there, welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to space for all things beauty. Today, we're talking about a cult favorite from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip in the shade Uncuffed. If you're on the hunt for a lip product that delivers bold color, long-lasting wear, and a flawless finish, you're going to want to stick around. Fenty Beauty's Stunna lip paints have quickly become iconic, and Uncuffed, a rosy mauve, has earned its spot as one of the brand's most universally flattering shades. This product is all about bold color with a lightweight feel, offering up to 12 hours of wear with no feathering. The precise wand makes application super easy, delivering a smooth, kissable finish every time. And let me tell you, it truly feels like you're wearing nothing at all. So what makes this formula so special? Let's break it down. The texture is matte, but not drying. It glides on smoothly and sets to a weightless finish, leaving behind a beautiful velvety feel that doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable. It's designed for all skin tones, so whether you're fair, medium, or deep, this shade gives you that perfect natural mauve lip. Now let's talk about real-life application. I wore this for an entire day to really test its longevity. From sipping coffee to eating lunch, I found the color stayed put, even without needing a touch-up. There was no fading and no weird buildup on the inner lip, something I personally find a bit of a deal breaker with some longwear formulas. Plus, the wand makes it super easy to apply, even on the go. I didn't need a mirror to perfect the lines, which is a huge plus. But let's not overlook some of the nuances. While the formula is indeed weightless, the matte finish does lean a little towards being drying after several hours of wear. It's nothing that a quick swipe of balm can't fix, but it's something to be mindful of if you're prone to dry lips. Also, the price point might seem a little steep for a single lip product, but considering the longevity and high quality, I do think it justifies the cost. Speaking of price, it's in line with other high-end lip products, and given the performance, especially in terms of wear time, I'd say it's worth the splurge. You're getting an elegant, unsole-type, no-fuss formula that works well with just about any makeup look. If you're looking for an alternative, there are some great options out there. For example, if you're on a budget, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick offers similar long-lasting color with a slightly more drying formula, but at a lower price point. But honestly, if you want a truly undetectable matte finish with effortless application, the Stunna lip paint is hard to beat. As for customer support, Fenty Beauty has always been known for its excellent service and fast response times. So if you have any questions or issues, you can expect to be taken care of promptly. So should you buy it? If you're into a super matte lip with an easy application and you don't mind the higher price tag, this lip paint is definitely worth it. It's got a spot in my collection, and I'm sure it'll become a staple in yours too. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Have you tried Fenty Beauty's Stunna lip paint? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.